Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an ombre lip, which I love. It's my favorite way to do my lipstick. And so basically it's just going to be darker on the outside and then it goes to light on the inside and it looks really good. So I am using the Milani Ludicrous matte lip crayon, and it honestly works a lot better if you use a liner on the outside, but I could not find a liner in this color because the thinner it is, the easier it's way easier to make it more precise, but this works too. And this is in the color Postgame 230. I can't get that to show. So, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to start, let me get my mirror down here. I'm going to start basically lining with the Milani lip crayon. So see, that's why it's kind of hard. I'm getting it all over. I'm so sorry. But that's why it's kind of hard to use with like a crayon instead of a pencil, because it just, I don't know, it's way easier for me to line with a pencil than a crayon. So that's why it's good to have a makeup remover.
Trimmers by Crayon.
Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, so basically what I did was I lined it. And then I put a little bit on the sides. And I just lined the top of the lip so that, because, you know, there's more space on your bottom lip than there is on your, oh my gosh, I got lip liner all over. But anyway, for the next step, I'm going to be taking the Revlon lipstick, and this is in 015 Make It Pink, and it is matte. You guys can't say that either, but I'm basically just going to fill in the rest of the space where I lined, or where I didn't line. And then I'm just gonna go over here a little bit. Okay, and that's it. And you can see like it's dark on the outside and then it's like a light pink on the inside. I think it looks so pretty. And it's so easy, you know? But if you guys have any requests of anything I should review, let me know. And I'll see you guys later.